Okay, Daniel, serious question.
I'm already scared.
Why is the internet speaking a completely different version of English?
Honestly, at this point, even native speakers are confused.
Exactly. I learned a hello, how are you? But the internet says a bro is cooked, no cap.
And somehow everybody understands.
So today we're translating internet English into normal English.
Your survival guide for TikTok comments, memes, Instagram, YouTube, and group chats.
Let's begin before Gen Z invents another word.
First word, low-key.
One of the most used internet words ever.
Low-key basically means secretly or honestly.
Example. Low-key, I like rainy days.
Or low-key, pineapple pizza is good.
Which is incorrect, by the way.
Side-eye.
Next. No cap.
This means I'm serious or I'm not lying.
Example. This restaurant is amazing, no cap.
Imagine your teacher saying, your exam starts now, no cap.
Immediate fear.
Next word, bet.
Internet English turned this into okay, a deal, or sounds good.
Friend says, let's meet at 6.
You say a bet.
Friend says, want pizza.
Bet.
Next, I'm cooked.
This phrase is so dramatic.
It means my life is over or I'm finished.
Example. I forgot my homework. I'm cooked.
Or my mom checked my grades.
Bro is cooked.
Next word, valid.
Meaning I understand or that makes sense or I respect it.
Example, you canceled plans to sleep early?
Honestly valid.
Next, sus.
Among Us changed the internet forever.
Sus means suspicious.
Example. You suddenly became nice after borrowing money?
That's sus.
Next. Mid.
The most disrespectful internet word.
It means average. Not terrible. Not amazing.
Example, that movie was mid.
Imagine spending 5 years making a film.
And the internet says mid.
Emotional damage.
Next, RIZZ.
The legendary word.
RIZZ means charisma or flirting ability.
Example. Bro has RIZZ.
Meanwhile, I order food like, a number 3 please.
Next phrase. It's giving.
Meaning, it has the energy of.
Example. It's giving rich villain energy.
Or it's giving tired student before exams.
Next. NPC.
Originally from video games.
Now it means someone acting robotic or repetitive.
Example, he says the same joke every day.
Bro is an NPC.
Next word, DELULU.
Short for delusional.
Internet meaning believing unrealistic things.
Example. He liked my post once. We're soulmates.
DELULU.
Next. Aura.
Aura means your vibe or coolness level.
Example. Wearing sunglasses indoors. Minus 500 aura.
Falling perfectly while skateboarding. Plus 1,000 aura.
The internet turned life into a video game.
Next, touch grass.
One of the funniest insults online.
It means please go outside.
Example. You argued online for 11 hours.
Touch grass immediately.
Next. Chronically online.
Meaning someone who spends way too much time online.
Example. If you understand every meme here.
You might be chronically online.
Next. Let him cook.
This phrase is iconic.
Meaning wait and see. Maybe the person has a good idea.
Example, my friend put fries inside a sandwich.
At first I was scared.
But let him cook.
Next. Court in 4K.
Meaning you got caught with proof.
Example. You said you were studying, but we saw your TikTok dance video.
Caught in 4K.
Next. Side-eye.
That suspicious judgment look.
Example. You eat fries with ice cream.
Side-eye.
Criminal behavior.
Next phrase. Main character energy.
Meaning someone acting confident and cinematic.
Example. Walking in slow motion while music plays.
Main character energy.
Meanwhile, I trip over air.
Next. Bro thinks his.
This phrase is everywhere.
It's used when someone acts overly dramatic.
Example. He bought one leather jacket.
Bro thinks his Batman.
Next. L plus ratio.
Internet language is brutal.
L means loss.
Ratio means your opinion failed badly online.
Tiny sentence. Massive disrespect.
Next. It ain't that deep.
Meaning you're overthinking.
Example. She replied with okay.
Relax. It ain't that deep.
Okay, Daniel, part 3.
Oh no.
The internet gets weirder now.
First. Crash out.
Meaning someone completely loses control emotionally.
Example. He lost one game and destroyed his keyboard.
Bro crashed out.
Next. Sigma.
The internet's favorite mysterious word.
Sigma basically describes someone independent, confident, and emotionally detached.
Or at least that's what Sigma edits think.
Example. He drinks coffee alone while staring at the rain.
Sigma male music starts playing.
Next. Mewing.
Why does the internet invent these things?
Mewing is a trend where people believe changing tongue posture improves jawlines.
The internet looked at breathing and said we can optimize this.
Next. Skibbity.
Absolutely nobody knows anymore.
Even Gen Z is confused now.
If someone says a skibidi.
Just smile and slowly walk away.
Next. NPC behavior.
Meaning someone acting predictable or robotic.
Example. He orders the same food every single day.
NPC behavior.
Next. Or farming.
This means doing something mainly to look cool online.
Example. Helping someone while dramatic music plays.
That's aura farming.
Next. Cook.
Different from I'm cooked.
Very different.
Cook means perform extremely well.
Example. She started speaking English confidently.
Let her cook.
Next. Facts.
Which actually means facts.
Example. Pizza is better than salad.
Facts.
Absolute facts.
Next. Wild.
Meaning crazy or shocking.
Example. He ate 14 burgers in one sitting.
That's wild.
Final question.
Do you think internet English is helping English learners or confusing them forever?
Honestly, both.
No cap.
Valid.
If you understood these words, congratulations.
You officially survived internet English.
Comment your favorite slang word below.
And if this video helped you,
Bet.